Welcome to Be Engaged. Tennessee, like many states in the U.S., is suffering from a decline in native pollinators. Bees, butterflies, moths, beetles, flies, birds, and bats are all essential to pollinating flowers. Native pollinators are keystone species which perform such vital tasks that their loss impacts the entire ecosystem. Through pollination, they enable flowers to produce fruit which feeds rabbits, birds, deer, bears, and humans. Of the native pollinators, bees are the most common and productive. To understand how we as individuals can support our native pollinators, we must first understand why they are declining. Rising global temperatures, air, water, and soil pollution, pesticides and other agricultural chemicals, and the loss of natural forage are all impacting our native pollinator populations. These all seem like huge problems, too large for one person to affect. But the fact is that there are things we can all do to help. So what can we do to support our native pollinators? There are 3 easy steps we can take to create an environment that's healthy for our pollinators and healthier for us. First, buy organic food. When you buy organic, you encourage commercial farmers to stop using pesticides and chemical fertilizers in favor of natural farming methods. This helps native pollinators by reducing pesticides in flowers and chemical pollutants in our soil and water. Go native at home. Plant native flowers, shrubs, and trees on your property. Our native plants are beautiful and well adapted to our soil and climate. Therefore, they require less maintenance than imported ornamentals and improve forage for native pollinators. If you live in an apartment, you can petition your management to use native plants in the landscaping. Lastly, go green. Write to your local and state legislators to encourage keeping public lands natural and offer incentives for new and existing commercial properties to build green roofs. This provides forage land continuity even in urban areas, supporting pollinators through migration routes, and providing cleaner air as the greenery naturally consumes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. I'm delighted to report that Tennessee and Nashville are already making strides in this area. But the more we encourage action, the more action will occur. Through the Pollinator Habitat Program, the Tennessee Department of Transportation is building and maintaining pollinator habitats along over 13,000 miles of state-managed roadways, welcome centers, and rest stops, and the city of Nashville is already encouraging green roof construction. A great example of the green roof program is the Music City Center project, with 14 types of vegetation, rain catchment, and beehives. This project improves energy efficiency for the center by reducing the heat island, reduces storm runoff, and encourages local pollinators for the many green areas in the city. These amazing programs are making progress, but if we all take action, the results will be even better. Being engaged begins with you and me. Everyone can do it. It's simple. It's local.